banging Achari Chicken Curry was my go-to takeaway for many years as it has such an incredible balance of flavours. Start by tempering the whole spices in oil. Don't worry, as always, the full recipe is down in the caption for you. Throw in the chopped onion, then fry for 5 minutes before adding in some chopped fresh tomato, garlic and ginger paste and some dried chillies. Now if you don't like it spicy, you can leave these out. Time for the spices. In goes garam masala, chilli powder, turmeric and some salt. Now for the chicken, I'm using whole bone-in chicken legs with the skin on. For me, this adds loads of flavour, but feel free to remove the skin if that's your preference. It's time for the curry base. You can find this recipe pinned to the top of my profile, and it's a secret to making British Indian restaurant-style curries at home. Spoon in some natural yoghurt, then bring up to a gentle simmer. You can also add in some more water at this stage, pop a lid on, then cook until the chicken is tender. Finally, sprinkle in some dried fenugreek and add a spoonful of lime pickle, which gives this curry its unique taste. Let me know what you'd like to see me cook next in the Fake Away series. Hit me up in the comments. This was banging!